Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on automatically saving your Instagram stories to your phone's camera roll. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Start by going to your profile page on Instagram and then tapping the plus button beside your profile image to get to the story camera screen. From there, tap the settings icon in the top left. Now select Story. Scroll down a bit to get to the Saving category. Enable the toggle Save to Camera Roll. Once that's enabled, when you create a new story, it will automatically save to your phone's gallery. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Instagram tips and tricks.